We're back at SSP today. We're gonna show you guys how to remove this molding here, this door handle, make life easier for everybody. This is a 2011 Forester, but this is gonna be the same from like 2009 to 13. Let's go ahead and show you guys how to take this molding off. There's a little screw right here on this other side, little one right here. Little guy right here. Take your Phillips screwdriver. Don't lose that specific bolt. What I'd like to do, well, this car's got no power, but usually you roll this window down and you can grab this molding and twist it like this and slide up like this. And there's a little clip, C-clip over here. I don't know if you can tell. But if you peel this, usually with this window down, it's easier. Let me see if I can get around it. Roll this window down. This little clip right here, you push on that a little bit so it's hooked onto right here at the edge. That's why I was holding it with the screwdriver, pushing this over. This seems to slide open like this, and it's a lot easier when this window's down. But that's how you take this off. And the way to go back on is simple, just slide and back to normal, put the screw in. That's how I take this molding off. And it's very similar with this one and that one over there on that side.